This is exhaust pipe number 2. I have now cut the pipe. This is the pipe I cut here, see? And on the end of it, it's bigger than this end, so this can slide in here. So the pipe can slide right into it. Okay? And which is a problem, because when you put the pipe up next to the exhaust pipe, it's the same size. So that's kind of a drag. But what I figured I could do is I could cut off the beveled end here, where I've marked it, which slides over here pretty easily. You can see. See, it slides right over. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it right here, like that, right there. And then I can put the other pipe in, and it'll go right in there. So it goes to show, where there's a will, there's a way in a broken exhaust pipe. So, like everything else, it's an adventure.